President Obama ordered a comprehensive investigation of Veteran Affairs hospitals across the country, but says he's not firing VA Secretary Eric Shinseki. He's posted White House Deputy Chief of Staff Rob Neighbors to the VA to investigate allegations that hospitals delayed treatment of vets and then lied about wait times. Allegations that include the cover-up of cases that led to veterans committing suicide.
It is dishonorable, it is disgraceful, and I will not tolerate it, period.
Despite the president's forceful words, that scandal is not going away. KXLY4's Aaron Luna working for you to bring light to what the current and former VA employees say needs to change.
Nadine, some of the biggest concerns that current and former employees bring up are disconnections with management, a division and a lack of communication that creates a discontent in the system and ultimately affects services to veterans. When the scandal in Phoenix broke, eyes turned back to the Spokane VA Medical Center, where Director Sharon Hellman worked almost 8 years ago.
Well, she was sharp, all right. She was a good politician, but she was not a good director.
Carol McEnroe worked for the VA at that time and says under Hellman's direction, things immediately started falling apart.
After she arrived, 16 professionals walked out the door, and a lot of those were our top MDs. Our top MDs pretty much left.
McEnroe, who's worked in several VA medical centers across the country, says bonus-driven quotas to close veteran disability cases pushed VA management to unfairly send claims to appeals.
You can deny a case, you don't have to read 20 pages.
Right.
Deny. Deny. So they'll deny whatever cases they need to deny to reach that quota.
Overall, McEnroe says VA employees truly want to help veterans, but promotions aren't based on performance.
You can be the best doc, you can be the best social worker there. That doesn't make 2 cents difference. You have to be the best kisser there.
Even 6 years after Sharon Hellman's departure, employees here are concerned about the Spokane VA. Lincoln Miles is president of the local chapter of the National Federation of Federal Employees. Miles says administration at the Spokane VA hasn't given them answers about perceived shortages.
With some of the delays, some of the shortages in the clinics, shortage of employees to carry out the work.
Under orders from Secretary Shinseki, the Spokane VA Medical Center underwent an audit last week, specifically focused on patient scheduling practices. He says he hopes the audit gives employees a chance to voice their concern.
Again, you know, the concern is whether we're going to get the right answers from this audit and if the right questions are being asked.
The report from that audit should be finished in the next week. We'll continue to follow this story as information becomes available. Reporting in the studio, Aaron Luna, KXLY4 News.